Hey there, Radar Rob fans. We have the Dji Air 3, and we're going to unbox this bad boy right now. Just as a disclaimer, everybody, this is not sponsored by any company, nor was I given any free merch. First of all, I waited 6 days from time of order to get this in at the local Best Buy. I love their service. It came in a day early, so that's great when everything can come in a day early. Box is the same as all. No need to review the box. Let's get the security tab off. Let's get in here. We all know what's in here. We know there's a bag. We know there's a drone in here. It's got the nice little pull magnet latch. I'm not going to get too much into the bag because the bag is the bag. It holds your drone, helps you get it safely from one place to another. I will wind up in the next couple weeks investing in a hard case, waterproof case for this drone so that I can better protect it than these soft-sided cases, but this seems to be a good quality. Let's dig into what we got here. First, we got a pack here. Looks like we got all the props here. Let's see, I believe they say that there should be 12 sets. Yep, looks like 6 of each, so that's 12 props. And then we got the controller, the new RC2 controller, which has the little, oh, these bags are nicely taped, which has the extended antennas on it. Really like this. I love the RC Pro and the RC remotes. The only thing that I worry about with them is the RC remote for the Mini 3 Pro. Didn't pick up you could pick up a hotspot, but it didn't pick up the Wi-Fi well enough to open those geozones. So I'm hoping that in this remote that picks up. Seeing a little bit higher resolution of your output video from your drone is great, but when I get it to the computer and I go to edit it and post, that's when I really want to see the high resolution. But that's a great thing that comes with it. Obviously they got the OcuSync 4. Everything's upgraded. These batteries feel super heavy. This charger is massive. Watching other reviews on YouTube, I'm not sure that I recognized how heavy this thing is, but I wouldn't suggest throwing this to somebody. It's got a great design. Click down here to take the battery out. Battery slides in. These batteries look a lot sturdier than the Mini 3 batteries that tended to break when you put them in the charger multiple times. It looks like a good design, very heavy duty. 2 batteries with the Fly More combo, and it looks like the extra battery is going to be here inside the drone. Let's get this bad boy out of here. This is what we're all looking for, what we want to see. And here we go. So my first impression is the drone feels hefty. It has a good, robust design. I really wish that the legs could unfold no matter what you do, but that's not going to happen. Gimbal case, or gimbal cover, it looks pretty nice. Got a sticker here. Let's get the gimbal cover off and see this dual camera system that everybody's talking about. Push that in. Oh, that wasn't hard. Everybody was making it out to be that it was terrible, and you see those 2 cameras. I'm really looking forward to using this with the 3x optical zoom. Digital zoom's great, but it blurs out your video and pictures a lot. Overall, it seems like a pretty sturdy drone. I mean, it very easy to unfold. Everything looks nice about this drone. I like the fact that it's got the 360 avoidance. I also like the fact that it's got this little bit of built-up body down the bottom here, so it gives it a little bit protection from hitting these sensors. Because on the Mavic Air 2, I had a problem where my sensor on the bottom would get scratched up, this little optical sensor they have. So that's a good addition to have the body beefed up a little bit, so when it lands it doesn't allow any dirt to scratch it. Can't wait to get this bad boy up into the air, do an official review to show you guys what kind of footage I get. I hope everybody has a great day. My first impression is this thing's a beast, and it's going to it's going to make flying so much easier, capturing that footage you want, those aerial pictures, city skylines, local park, high school football fields, roof inspections, all that. So everybody, I'll be back with a review in a couple days. For now, Radar Rob out.